Hey guys, welcome back to LS Techs. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got the UMIDIGI Z 2 smartphone. So this goes for just under £200. Here in the UK guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can get in two versions. You've got your standard Z2 and your Z2 Pro. The Z2 comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, where the Pro comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is nice. And both of them are powered by the P33 processor, so that's boom, that's a lot of power. But yeah, let's take this out and see what we get. This is the box itself. You've got the logo there. On the back you've got more of the spec details, which I'll go over later. Let's take this out. Do it the right way. So inside you've got a thank you message from UMIDIGI themselves, which is very nice. If you want to check out the stuff, you can do that. You've got the phone itself, so you've got a pull tab here, so I'm going to pull that up. And the case is already applied as well. And inside it says link to the world. You've got some documentary, so you've got a SIM tray tool. You've got a user guide. It's very nice. We don't need that, so let's put that away. You get a fast power brick here, standard power brick hopefully. Nope, this is a fast charging power brick, so that's always nice to see. You've got your USB to your aux cable, which is very nice, and you've got this fancy red cable. So yeah, you've got this fancy red cable, so let's take it out. That's USB-C to USB-A. It's very nice. You've got that little red accent, something you see with the OnePlus as well, but that's very nice to see. So let's put everything away. And this is the phone itself. As you can see, very nice. You've got a free case already included, so I'm going to take the case out here. See, it's just a simple TPU case. Always nice to get one included. Put that to the side. You've got the phone itself. As you can see here, I've got the Twilight version here, the Fantastic. It comes in 3 different colors. So you've got the Fantastic, you've got a Gradient, and you've got a Carbon as well. So that's very nice. So it's got a pre-applied screen protector, so let me pull that off. I think the screen protector is applied on that well. See, that screen protector was not applied on properly by them. So let's see if I can get the bubbles out. So that's fine, they have gone out. And you've got one on the back as well, so I'm going to peel that off. Oh, that is just a beautiful color. As you can see, that is just stunning. So you can see guys, it's just so nice. You've got the blue and it goes all the way to this black purple. It's just so nice. I have to admire that. It's just really nice. And the back you've got your 60 megapixel and your 8 megapixel camera with your dual flash, your fingerprint sensor. On one side you've got your volume up and down, your power. On the top nothing, just a microphone. On the other side you've got your SIM tray, and on the bottom you've got, well, one of them probably stereo speakers, with one here and one at the top I'm assuming. You've got your USB for charging as well, and on the front you've got your 60 megapixel and 8 megapixel camera as well. So you've got dual cameras at the front and dual cameras at the back, which is really amazing. So I'm going to power on the device now. So it's powering on now. So this is powered by a P23 processor. So that is a 8-core processor where 4 of them are clocked at 2 GHz and 4 of them are clocked at 1.5 GHz. It's Android Oreo 8.1. As I said, you've got 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. You've got dual SIM slot, so you can use dual SIMs or SD card slot. You've got a 3850 milliamp battery, so that's very nice. It's a 6.2 inch Full HD Plus, so that's 1080 by 2246. and it should work on all networks. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly sign in and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So yeah guys, I've been playing around with the phone, downloading some apps and setting everything up, and it's working very well. So it's pretty fast and stuff like that, which is really great. It's not loaded with any bloatware, as I said before, which is great. So first of all, let's try some gaming. So I'm going to play some games. And before that, I just want to let you clarify, it's only got single audio coming from one of these. So the top one is the audio only. Second one is just for appearance only. But if I cover up, you can see the sound goes weird. And there's no speaker here, so no dual sound. But yeah, let's play some games. Start career, go in here, start on level 2. So let's play some games and see how well that works. And the screen is nice and clear. That's great. As you can see, while I'm playing game, the screen does not get all the way to the edge. But on one side it does, so I'm not sure why that is an issue. I may think that's to do with the game, not with the software itself. But let's see on other stuff. So game wise, it is nice and fast. It's not giving me any problems. Let's just turn some volume down so you can hear me better. But yeah, games it should handle fine. It's got an octa-core processor and 4 of the cores are clocked at 4 GHz, so you are going to be doing really great with games. And it doesn't matter if it's like some heavy games, you should be fine. Yes, it's not going to be as powerful as like iPhone X or anything like that, but most Android games are not really that power hungry anyway, but you should be fine on most games. So let's just quickly finish this game off. And there, I'm finished. So as I said before, you can see it does not go all the way to the edge on this side, but on this side it does on the game. That might be due to the game or due to the software inside the phone, but yeah. So let's go out of the game. Let's go out of the game. So I'm out of the game, as you can see. And the software looks so fine. So let's see if I can change the wallpaper. We can see how well the pictures looks on the phone, because it's a very nice, elegant screen. As you can see, just so color popping. It's not as vibrant as an iPhone screen, but it does a great job. Come on, it's LCD and iPhone's are OLED, but it does a really great job at that. Let's see if I can find a different picture that has more color. But that one is really nice. I like that. This one is nice as well. As you can see, the colors are really great. Not sure how well you can see it on screen, but it's really crisp. The colors are really nice. It's nice and vibrant. But yeah, let's see if I can find YouTube and see how videos are playing back at, because that needs to update. So let's quickly update that. So that's updating in the background. So we're going to do a camera test now. So this is using the back camera. I'm just going to give pictures and stuff around me for the camera test. And just look how clear these are. As you can see, they are very nice and sharp. We're getting lots of details on these pictures here. Let's go to the plant here. See, we're getting lots of detail. Yes, it's not like amazing anything like, but it really, for this price, is doing a really great job. As you can see, I'm sure it's going to be very great. Let's get something much more complicated, more layers and stuff. Yeah, it's doing a really great job, I have to say that. Yes, it's not some extraordinary or some top class stuff, but it really does a great job. So let's get back to the YouTube app and see how well videos are playing. So I'm going to search for some 4K videos so we can see what resolution the screen are playing back at. Tab one here. And we're going to go to quality, and we're only getting up to 1080. Which is fine due to the way the screen is. That's really great. So let's just have a look at that. We can do full screen as well, but it's really nice and clear. But as I said before, on one side it goes all the way to the edge, while the other side it really doesn't do that, which is weird. I know on the iPhone it goes to edge, but here it just stops on this bar here. I'm not sure if that's something to do with Android or anything like that, or if it's just to the phone how they have done it. But that's a very sad thing to see. But otherwise the phone goes all the way to the edge, as you can see. I've loaded up Geekbench, but I'm gonna give a run through that later in my full review, so make sure you stick around for that. But yeah, it's just my first hands-on with the phone. I really like it. The camera quality is nice and decent, and it's just the games works fine, as you can see. But guys, I'm gonna have a full review video very soon, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel and stick around. But yeah guys, this is just a quick unboxing and a first look on the Doogee Me Set 2. But yeah, there's loads of things I need to try out, test out, do Geekbench, and just have a full day video. But as of now, this is just my quick first look. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one guys. Take care.